In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google site layout issues. Let's start by opening your Google site in edit mode, head to your site and switch into editing so you can make changes in real time. This gives you access to all the layout tools and lets you see exactly how your content is arranged on the page as you move things around. Next, take a careful look at how your content is placed within sections and columns. In Google Sites, sections are the horizontal bands that stack down the page, and columns are the vertical divisions inside those sections. Every element, like text boxes, images, buttons, and embedded content, should live inside a section and usually inside a column. If something looks misaligned or floating oddly, it's often because it was dropped just outside a column or into the wrong section. Grab the element by its drag handle and move it until you see the guides that highlight the target area. Those visual cues help you snap items into place. If you want two items to line up neatly, put them in the same column or in parallel columns within the same section. You can also drag the vertical column dividers to adjust column width so text and images fit without awkward wrapping. Before you go any further, use the preview button to see how your layout behaves. Click the preview icon to open a live view and toggle between desktop and mobile. On mobile, columns typically stack from left to right, so check that your content order still makes sense and that headings aren't separated from the paragraphs they describe. Look for elements that feel cramped, oversized, or out of sequence, and make a quick mental note of what needs attention. Now, fine-tune spacing, alignment, and section size. Back in edit mode, adjust section height by dragging the handles at the top or bottom of a section so there's enough breathing room above and below your content, but not so much that the page feels stretched. Use the alignment options in the toolbar to left align, center, or right align text consistently, and align images so their edges line up with nearby text blocks. If something looks too tight, add space by widening the column or slightly increasing the section's height. If it feels too loose, reduce the section size or bring elements into the same column to tighten the layout. After each change, preview again on desktop and mobile to confirm the fix looks good everywhere. Repeat these checks until your site feels balanced, readable, and consistent across devices. With these adjustments, your Google site should look clean, professional, and easy to navigate.